Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this a small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week, which ended today, the August the 7th, right? So right now it's 9 p.m. I'm making this video. So the first trade was taken on August the 3rd with the help of CTS7 auto trading robot, and the entry is always according to the setup, and the entry is right there, buy order is right there. SL move to break even plus, right? So this is the first one for 70 pip. This is the pound Aussie. Aussie got weaker, so Euro Aussie, pound Aussie, they usually move the same time if the Aussie is the culprit, right? So buy orders right there. This one also went up for 75 pip. Third trade is also on the 3rd, August the 3rd, gold 500 from 40.56 to 40.35. Small trade, but yes, something, right? Pound yen. Yen was getting weaker again after the intervention, of course, right? So it's going to the upside again. This is the entry, 90 pip. On the fourth, euro yen. When yen gets weaker, all yen pair goes up at the same time, right? So that was pound yen. This is euro yen for 100 pip. Then you see this is pound Aussie after going up. Then it started to drop here. Beautiful entry by the book, 90 pip to the downside. This one pound yen again from 20-minute chart. Now, I use two different charts, 7-minute and 20-minute. 7-minute is like 5-minute regular chart, and 20-minute is like 15-minute regular chart, right? So I get both two entries, same trade, but two different entries. So I end up, making like double the amount of pippage. So this is 85 pip from the 20-minute chart. This one, USD yen, also went up, right? And this is the entry right there. This little arrow shows that this trade is taken by CTS7 auto trading robot. So look, 85 pip right there on the August 4th. USD yen, again, this one from the 20-minute chart for 95 pip. Gold now again start to go to the upside. This is the entry here. Remember my gold chart. Let me show you. If I don't know if I have it open here. This is the chart. Okay, remember that. So the August 1st, I said this is the count, and it should be going to the upside here, and it went up there big time, right? Straight. So that's how I ended up getting a gold long from there. This August 4th, all the way there from 40.52 to 41.37. And then you have gold. Well, that is again it's the same trade continuation to more to the upside, 40.52 to 42.55. Now that's where I close actually, right? So this is Euro USD now, small trade. Euro USD don't have much of a big like daily range, very small, right? So it doesn't give you much. So 55 pip, that's more than enough for Euro USD. Pound yen, again, I remember these lines, 23% line, 78% line I have written here. So I made the video explaining what it is and how to read those, right? In your 20-minute chart and 40-minute. From 40-minute chart, you read that on the 20-minute chart and the 7-minute chart just to see that where do you exactly stand in those charts. 70 pip to the upside, pound yen on the 5th. And then you have gold again going to the upside on the 5th. Beautiful entry right there, flying, right? And from 41.88 to 42.54. Then euro yen, you can see on the 5th, right? Beautiful entry right there. Right from this 78%, then it went up to, 61%, then 23% line, then 78. That was a perfect Gertle pattern calculation on the 40-minute chart, but it became a failed Gertle, right? And it went up again after dipping to this high and then bouncing again more to the upside, right? So that is a failed Gertle. So this is what my system is. This is what I teach, right? That even if you have a harmonic pattern or your Elliott wave calculation goes wrong. For example, the price prove you to be that your count is wrong, right? But you still make money. Because if you know that if your count is wrong, then which one is the right one? Just the opposite, right? So simple as that. That if it is not coming down according to, like, for example, this was a bearish setup, right? Bearish Gürtel, but it started to bounce. It became fair Gürtel, and there was a reason why, because the bearish Gürtel at the bottom of the move is dangerous. It has 80% chance that it's gonna become a failed Gürtel, and it did. So I was ready for that, and I took the trade, 75 pip. That's what I teach in my one-on-one coaching, right? So if you want to learn, you go and sign up here, creativetradingsystem.com. Now here, Euro Yen again going to the upside for 70 pip on the 5th, and this is on the 6th USD Yen. All Yen pair now going to the upside again. After the intervention, they went all big time, they went down. Now they are going back up as a retracement. Now that was 20-minute chart. This is 7-minute chart, 75 pip right there. Beautiful entry. This is the entry that I took manually because it's supposed to be here. Excuse me. But somehow my ear missed it. And then when I saw, I opened the trade even here, a little late, but it still came out with 75 pip. Right? If the setup is there, then you can do it. No problem. This one, gold going down from 200 chart, small trade from 42.56 to 42.35. And here, CAD yen going to the upside on the 6th for 100 pip here. Entry was on the 4th. This is also a very slow moving trade pair. So you have to, hold the trade for a couple of days for get something out of it. Oil, right? Beautiful trade. My chart, daily chart showing that it's gonna bounce and then go up. So it started to go up on the 6th. And the 500 gold, 500 box size, beautiful entry. This is one of those entries after that chart that I just showed you, right? So let me see if I can show you the chart after chart. This, and no. Let me see. It went up there, and then even after that, look where it ended up. Let me show you. You see that? Wave three. So my chart was like it's gonna go up from here to here. It would dip a little bit, and then it went up today after the NFP. So all of these gold long trades because of this one chart. All right. So this is what happened to the upside. I think there's one more to the upside, or no? Let me see. This is oil, and I guess that's the last one. Yeah. So all together, this week is much, much better than the previous weeks. June and July, they're always slow. Yeah, so 21 trade, not 21, there was one trade double, right? So right there, 10 and 10. So 20 trades, right? In June and July, my count of my trades were like 8 trades, 7 trades, 8 trades, 9 trades a week. Now it's almost double, and then watch, in more towards the end of August, it will be like 30, 30 trades, 28 trades every week. So volume is coming back, volatility is coming back, and June, July, like I said, that is the slowest month, so that's why. But after that, the volume comes back, and then comes November, the volume will start to go down, and December is kaput again. Then it will pick up in January. So this is how the game is. And by the way, this is gold now, and I think that the wave three is finished now, and then it's gonna drop for wave four. By the way, I made this chart, not only this one, but I also have this chart, right? For example, this is the one that's gonna go up from here to here for wave four. So where we are now, this is, I'm pointing towards this band here. It's like 42.74, right? So we are now at here, not even 42.74. It went up all the way to 43.81, right? Now, this is the chart I made. See, analysis is very important, right? And then you take the trade. So see, this is what happened to it. And then I made this chart, and today it went up and touches this area. Anyway. So I see this yellow mark says that it's gonna go up first and then come down. So it went up. Next week maybe coming down. So look, this is on the second version. This is another version. This is saying that this is a wave four, And this version is saying that no, this is wave 1, 2, and 3, followed by 4, 5 to the upside. So either way, we need to come down once we are here. So we are already there like this. This is the current chart that I made. We are already very close to this area of turning point, basically, right? Where the heck is go? Let me see. 4 hour chart, right? So 4 hour chart. This is what we are doing right now, right? So this is current chart. Let's say that is gonna go from here to here, maybe 43.81, 44.01. Then make the turn to the downside. Let's see what happens next week. All right. So all these long trades you saw, right? Taking from here to here, then here to here, then here to here, then here to here, all of that, one by one. All right. So this is it for now. I'm next. Well, I'm gonna make this gold video in detail later, right? Maybe tonight or maybe tomorrow. Okay. So where it is going and exactly what happened. So this is it for now. And I think there's one more day left for my lifetime membership thingy, and then it will be off the website and no more lifetime membership, right? So if you want to get it now, right? So bye for now and talk to you guys later. What do I do? Stop recording.